Next, Bhaktisiddhānta Sarasvatī. So, Nama Om Vishnu Padaya, Nama Om Vishnu Padaya. Same in Vishnu. Sh, tongue goes up, and Na is not Vishnu, it's Vishnu. Padaya. Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale, that we already did with Prabhupada's pranama. Then Śrīmate Bhaktisiddhānta, Śrīmate Bhaktisiddhānta. Remember, Bhakti Vedanta. There's a pause after Bha. Same here. Bhaktisiddhānta. Not Bhaktisiddhānta, but Bhaktisiddhānta Sarasvatī namine. Tatan, 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 tatan. Sarasvatī namine. Sarasvatī. That S is slightly longer, even though there is no double S, but it's a heavy syllable. It's a way to give that syllable some heaviness and weight. Sarasvatī. You don't say Sarasvatī namine. You say Sarasvatī namine. Sarasvatī in chanting. Then second part. Shri Varshabhanavi Devi, Shri Varshabhanavi Devi, Dayitaya Kripabdhaye, Dayitaya Kripabdhaye, not Dayitaya. The first da is short, so Dayitaya Kripabdhaye, Dayitaya Kripabdhaye, Krishna Sambandha Vijnana. Totally different pattern again. Tan ta tan tan ta tan tan tan. Krishna Sambandha Vijnana. Sambandha. Not Sambandha. Sambandha. On that sam. Hang on it a bit. Sambandha. Sambandha. Hang on those first two syllables in this word. Vijnana. Again. Vijnana is also correct. Vijnana is a kind of a shortcut, yeah? Dāyine prabhave namaha, tanta 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 tata. Dāyine prabhave namaha. And the third part, madhuryojvala premadhya. Madhuryojvala premadhya. Jvala Premadhya. There is also a pause, not just Madhuryo Jvala Premadhya. Jvala Premadhya. Some pause after Ojvala or Ojvala, yeah? Premadhya. It's not the regular dhya, it's dhya, dhya. Bend your tongue inward and lift it up like ardhya, ardhya, yeah? Premadhya. Shri Rupanuga Bhaktida. Here again, Bhaktida. You can hear that pause. Shri Rupanuga Bhaktida. Okay? Third line. Shri Gaura Karuna Shakti. Shri Gaura Karuna Shakti. It's not Karuna Shakti. Most of Western devotees say Karuna, because in English and in many other languages, there is a habit of putting stress in the second syllable, but not in Sanskrit. So it's not Karuna, it's Karuna. In Sanskrit, you see wherever there are long vowels, those syllables will get the emphasis. Karuna, it's not Karuna, it's Karuna Shakti. Alright? Vigrahaya namostute. Vigrahaya namostute. Vigrahaya namostute. Not Vigrahaya, but Vigrahaya. After that Vi, put some pause, okay? Vigrahaya namostute. Okay, and the last in Bhaktisiddhānta's pranama. Namaste Gauravani Shri. Okay, the line ends with Shri, not with Gauravani. Namaste Gauravani Shri Murtaye Dīnatarine Rūpānuga Viruddha Pasiddhānta. Excuse me. So, Rūpānuga Viruddha Pasiddhānta. Here, two lines, there is no word break between the lines. The lines actually break in between one word. So you can just chant it up to the end of the word. Apasiddhanta. Rupanuga viruddha apasiddhanta dhvantaharine. So in Pushpanjali, devotees often chant Rupanuga viruddhapa. Everybody repeats Rupanuga viruddhapa. And then Siddhanta Dhvantaharine. That is a little bit funny because the meaning of the last line is that he destroys the darkness of Apasiddhanta. But if you chant it as Siddhanta Dhvantaharine, he destroys the darkness of the Siddhanta, of the right conclusion. So it's really funny. So therefore, try to be conscious of this in this specific line. So Rupanuga viruddha. Then everybody can repeat. And then Apasiddhanta Dhvantaharine. The darkness of the wrong Siddhanta. Okay? Apasiddhanta Dhvantaharine. Alright, let's go on to Śrīla Gaurakishora Pranama. Namo Gaurakishoraya. Namo Gaurakishoraya. Sakshad Vairagyamurtaye. Then Vipralambharasambhodhe. Again, there is a pause after V. Vipralambha. It's not Vipralambha. It's Vipralambha. Rasambhodhe. Not Rasambhodhe. There is an aspiration in the last dhe. Rasambhodhe. Padambujayate namaha. And next one is Bhaktivinoda Thakura's obeisance. So, Namo Bhakti Vinodaya. Again, don't forget that pause after Bhakti. Bhakti Vinodaya. Satchidananda Namine. Gaura Shakti Svarupaya. Again, here we had Shakti, like Bhakti. Whenever they come in verses, remember to pause a bit after the first syllable. So, Gaura Shakti Svarupaya. Shakti Swarupaya, that S in Swarupaya slightly emphasize it. Shakti Swarupaya Rupanugavarayate. Never Rupanuga. Rupanuga is a total mispronunciation because U is not long there. And Rupanuga. Rupanugavarayate. Next, Jagannātha Das Bābājī. Gauravirbhava bhumestvam. Practice your aspirations. Bha. It's not just ba. It's not avirbhava. It's not bhumes. It's Gauravirbhava bhumestvam. Gauravirbhava bhumestvam. Nirdeshta sajjana priyaha. Nirdeshta sajjana priyaha. Before the priyaha, again pause, because jana, the last syllable, even though na is short, the vowel is short, but it is a heavy syllable here. So be conscious of that. Nirdeshta sajjana priyaha. Okay? Vaishnava sarvabhauma Shri. The line ends on Shri, not on Sarvabhauma. Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Shri Jagannāthayate namaha. Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Shri Jagannāthayate namaha. Okay, in the word Vaishnava, it's not Vaishnava. It's not this sh. It's the one which doesn't exist in English, for example. It's Vaishnava, sh. It's the one inside. Lift your tongue, bend it inward. Vaishnava, Sarvabhauma. Okay,